औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। यकीन मुहक्कम अमल पे मोहब्बत फ़ात आलम, जहाद ज़िंदगानी में है ये मर्दों की शमशीरें। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब ऑन चैनल लीगल टॉप नेटवर्क, जस्टिस फॉर एवरीवन। टुडे माय लेक्चर discuss the relationship public administration, economics and public administration. Preparation for CSS students. Today, you know about the economics. A close relation between economics, public and administration. Economic policy is the greatest task before public administration. Economic policy greatest task before administration to try out the implement during the 18th century and the early 19th century, when the different between follow the policy issue and fire public administration was no such dominant economic problems dominating confronts economics and industrial matter for the made it necessary for the state of protect home industries, encourage foreign trade. An important demonstration of the study of economics, drawing the post of two diseases has been empires quantifications the term economic the refer to the orient discipline, because the extent of involvement of the modern activities, it has become widely accepted that some aspect of the mathematical form satisfy. These are the sense which is a lie or thing and correct. However, then tendency exchange. Both are relevant, so unlawful, unfulness, qualifications, study of the public administration, the analysis, bulk of the activity carried by the public administration involved quality the judgment by this and cannot be quantified. Policy to be involved by the terms of economic consequence, government to directly responsible for the empowerment and the standard living people and the administration, the business of cycle, source of the employment for the maintenance of favorable balance of the trade and protect of the financial stability of the country, the, the entry of the government into the field of the business enterprises. The basis of concerned economics with the behavior individual and the form the economics mass we seeks maximum wages and the minimum the similars one of the contribute the knowledge of the public administrations Nobel Prize winner Herbert Simon is the Nobel Prize winner to development the concept of the administration, man adopting the economic and the approach of the in individual broke administration of behaviors to I think established in 1976. Vitality Corporation Life Insurance Corporating the increasing prescriptions of the state for the economic matters had laid on the leads of the economic and visual services district and the traditional services method the requirement of the promotion and tenure. There is a demo introducing more and more business methods functions. Government decides public finance budgeting fiscal administration topic common both of the public administration. Those are knowledge of the economic has been become the necessary in the present day administration view economic influence in public administration, and the addition of the behavior disciplines focus like upon to you could also the found in the literate physiology, sociology, philosophy, management, science, the insight provided the approach as it do the other disciplines. You know, about the subsequent under the disciplined history between them, then our and the other of the flying approach. You know, the scientific approach for want to more appropriate in the one scientific refer to approach and their basic the explained theory hepatitis hypothesis in defined the guide of the investigations purpose and relationship between two or more variable. For example, we say to ACNS or administration of the decision or the purpose of the relations between administration and decisions. You know, later, the interest of the social trade directly entrained the business began the enterprises. The result become the former administrations. Every administration policy have the relevant term for economic government and directly responsible for the improvement standard of living of the people. Next lecture, I will come to subscribe channel YouTube Legal Talk Network. Justice for everyone. Subscribe on. Thanks.